This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake at home easily. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 2 pounds of cream cheese, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, and graham crackers for the crust. For the crust, combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 6 tablespoons of melted butter and a touch of sugar. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan, ensuring it covers the bottom and slightly up the sides. This forms the perfect base for your creamy dessert. Now, let's create that wonderfully creamy filling. It is crucial that your cream cheese, sour cream, and eggs are all at room temperature. This prevents lumps and ensures a smooth texture. Beat 2 pounds of softened cream cheese with 1 1/2 cups of sugar until it is light and fluffy. Then, gently mix in 4 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 1 cup of sour cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Do not overmix. Baking your cheesecake correctly is key to its success. To prevent cracks and ensure a silky smooth texture, bake it in a water bath. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your springform pan, wrapped in foil, into a larger pan filled with hot water. Bake for approximately 60 to 75 minutes until the edges are set but the center still has a slight jiggle. Then, cool it slowly in the oven with the door ajar for 1 hour. The final and perhaps most challenging step is patience. Once your cheesecake has cooled completely, refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight. This chilling time allows it to firm up perfectly. Before serving, run a thin knife around the edge of the pan to easily release the springform collar. Then, garnish with your favorite toppings, like fresh berries or a rich chocolate sauce. Slice and enjoy your perfectly homemade, creamy cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.